Okay, now go. Oh, Nadia, look at you. It's close. Start over. Both y'all have to start over.
If anybody loses. What if they get in their mouth?
Then that's a win. You win. You can't wiggle your head. You gotta leave your head leaned down.
Oh, look what I don't like
Close,
it.
Tay-Tay. Oh.
Oh.
See, that's when y'all gotta y'all can tilt your head a little bit to get it to slide back in your mouth.
Okay. Oh, man, I had it right here.
You did good.
I almost got it down. That's what I hate about when it goes on your nose. It slid.
Yeah, that's why you gotta do it on your eye. That's why you gotta make it fall on your eye. There you go. Now it's getting towards your mouth.
Can you do it?
I can't. I'm trying a lot.